Right now, maybe you're carrying the weight of disappointment, heartache, or even trauma. It can feel like happiness is something that other people have, but not you. I know that feeling too well. It's heavy, it's isolating, and it can make you wonder if things will ever get better. But let me tell you something. Happiness isn't gone forever. It might feel out of reach, but it's still there, waiting for you to rediscover it. So, here is your shot of wellness for today. Finding your way back to happiness. The first step to finding happiness again is to give yourself grace. Healing and happiness are not linear journeys. Some days will feel lighter, and others might pull you back down, and that's okay. What matters is your willingness to keep moving forward, no matter how small the steps are. Start with the little things that bring you comfort, whether it's a walk outside, listening to your favorite playlist, or sitting quietly with your thoughts. Happiness doesn't always come in grand, sweeping gestures. It shows up in moments, in laughter, in a kind word, in the way the sun feels on your skin. Allow yourself to notice those moments and hold on to them. Even when things are hard, there are small pieces of beauty and joy around you. You just need to take a moment to just notice and appreciate these things. The key is to look for them, even when it feels difficult. Another important piece is letting go of perfection. Let's just get this out the way. Life will never be perfect, and that's what makes it real and worth living. Don't wait for all the pieces to fall into place before you let yourself feel happy. Embrace the imperfections. Sometimes happiness is simply about finding peace where you are and trusting that things will improve over time. And here's the truth. You are worthy of happiness, no matter what you've been through. Let go of the guilt, the what ifs, and the I should haves. You're doing the best that you can, and that's enough. Trust in your resilience and your ability to find the light, even in the darkest places. Happiness is a journey, not a destination, and every step you take is bringing you closer and closer to it. Thank you for taking this moment and sharing this space with me today. As you move forward, remember that happiness isn't about never feeling sadness. It's about finding joy even in the smallest moments. You're doing the work, and I'm proud of you. So until next time, please take care of your heart and know that brighter days are ahead.